Best ribs in America. Let me see it, Manny. Go back in there, Manny. You are so cute, buddy. Look at this. That's cool. That's really cool. Come on, buddy. See this right now. Very, very cool. Look at that thing. Hey, what do you think about that roller coaster?
Alright, so there were some questionable turns, but other than that, I had fun.
You like it?
Yeah.
What about you, Lalo?
It was a really good roller coaster.
You got scared?
No, not really.
Yeah, you.
I did.
Really.
I
yeah,
did.
You did.
I heard you screaming.
You screamed.
I heard this is the best thing ever. I heard someone yelling.
You did
It's gotta
scream.
be Lana.
Yeah,
Manny.
fun.
Manny, baby. Manny. What do you think about the roller coaster, buddy?
If you wanted to close, yeah, so this
Was
is
it
the most
fun?
terrifying fun thing
Was
I've
it fun? Anything else?
Hey, roll coasters.
I need this. I need.
It's really good. That's good, Manny.
Want to try my fry?
I feel like a potato and a half. This place was amazing. Really, really good. Manny!
Don't you dare.
Wait, buddy.
Oh, wait, you recorded, Pops?
Yeah. Really, really good. Look at that right there.
So, yeah, it's just straight down there.
He loves this thing. Let's take it home. Put it in the back of the truck. You want to take it home?
How do you put
We
that?
could just, baby, grab it. Put it in the back of the truck. Is it attached?
Yeah.
Oh man! Look at the water right here. All right, let's get out of here. Oh yeah. Is this like a museum of cars? Is it?
It's an odd eatorium. Odd eatorium. There's a mirror mazes.
Yeah, go. You see that right there? I got a feeling that I want to do that. God's grace.
Come on.
Let's go, buddy. Finally, a motorcycle.
That was so loud.
Was it scary? You enjoy it? Yeah.
It's pretty loud. Yeah, I don't know why. I thought it was gonna help me like shake me off.
Wow. Wow. About to do this bridge right here.
It's already like super wobbly. Feel that? Nice job. Nice and brave. See how high we are?
No, no running, please.
Yeah, no run. It's just nice slow. There's somebody needs that suspension. It's literally just right
You can't look down no more? I thought you could look down. No, no, I'm talking through here. Like this was supposed to be glass? I guess it's not today. Wait for me, Fabian. Where?
little tower.
Yeah,
Two other suspension bridges.
that is cool. Come on.
Alright, I'm gonna why is it wobbling? Who's wobbling the bridge?
Well, only because I'm fat.
He does. Dude, we still got like a full bridge to go.
Did Lolo came?
No, he decided
Oh my lord.
it literally helps get it with zip ties.
Yeah, by syntax. Yeah, sure it is. Where? The glass? Wait for me, Manny. Ready? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, look.
Yeah, I'm sorry,
You
buddy.
can go through the floor. Careful. Go over the gaps.
Okay.
Over.
Oh god.
Five-year-old.
Okay, that was pretty scary.
That was not scary at all.
Yeah, that was scary. I don't care what you say. I was scared. It's okay to be scared.
We're gonna have to go back around. I'm just
Huh?
gonna take that long rock and walk all the way back around. You wanna walk all the way around again? You wanna go through the bridge? Sorry.
Oh, you can take that trail?
Yeah, you can take the trail around.
Okay, maybe we take the trail. It's almost over. Huh?
I like the way you did. I like that, but one more. But don't talk things. No one is. Don't hot things.
Yeah, Fabian, stop it. Stop it means stop it. Wow. That was pretty crazy. What?
Yeah.
Come over here next to me. Next to me. Give me a big huggy. And a kissy. And a kissy. Mwah. That's how long it is.